Sit beside, lander. Sit beside lander. Halika na. Tuloy mo na to.
Good.
Halika na.
Yay!
What else? It's not yet complete.
Opo.
Hindi pa complete.
Sit
Oh?
beside lander.
Wow! Very good. It's a? What's that? What's that? It's a?
Wow, galing-galing naman niya.
It's an antelope.
Antelope? Antelope ba yan? Hindi ko alam. Antelope ba ito? Deer, anak. Ay, meron kasing kon na antelope din. Sorry naman. Oh, again. It's a deer.
Lander.
Deer.
Deer.
Next.
It's a deer.
It's a deer.
Tignan mo si lander o lander siya o. Sige na.
Oh, next. You complete it first.
Yan. Then, ulit na. Draw ka ulit.
Good.
Draw.
Good, very good. Oh?
Lander.
Okay.
Ay, ano yan na?
Wow! Very good
Zebra.
job!
Galing naman.
Yay! O,
Sa
next.
zebra.
Ang galing, alam niyo saan yung kukunin. O, next. Oh? It's a?
Kuya Marco, halika na. Ay, Kuya Marco.
Is that?
Halika.
Uy, ang galing ah. It's a?
Halika. Halika. Halika.
Very good. O, what's next?
Kuya Lander, o kunin mo nga siya, Kuya Lander. Kunin mo siya. Kunin mo siya.
Oh, yes, yes, it is. Yes, it is, anak. Uy, very good. Oh, what's the missing part?
Sulat ka naman.
Yay! It's a? It's a? Oh, what's that?
It's a. It's
What? It's a?
What?
Ta?
Tie. You know.
It's a?
I-press mo.
What's that?
Yan. Ulit na.
Tiger.
Tiger.
How about this? Oh, next. Next.
Tiger.
Oh, next na. Next.
Scribble ka na. Marco!
Sige na, sige na.
Halika na ako. Activity na.
Tulog na si Marco.
Naantok na siya. Ko, naantok ka? Hindi. Halika na. Halika na. Get inside na. Ito na.
Wow! Amazing! What's that?
Giraffe.
It's a giraffe. Oh, next. Next is a? What's that? What do you call that animal? It's a? Sige, kompletuin mo muna. Oh, what's next?
Gawin mo na to. Sige na. Sige na lang. Nag-draw ka na ng squad.
Oh? Wow! Good job!
Koala.
It's a koala. Very good. Oh, what's next? The last one is? Oh, complete it first.
no.
Oh, come on. Complete. Dali na, dali. Oh, what's next? Is it?
Oh no.
Sige na, sige na. Okay. Oh, where should you put that?
It's worm.
Wow. Yes, yes, it's correct.
Correct.
It's correct.
It's a.
There in the corner. Yes. And then,
Tails.
Wow. And then last one is? Oh. You finish it na. Yay! Very good. It's a squirrel. Very good. Clap it.
Love it.
Yay!
Yeah.
Wow, good job naman, baby. Love.
Pag may nag-arrange na